catch me having breakfast. So Julie mango to start off with. Well, not to start off with, but Julie mango. Then I have some sauteed sweet potatoes, organic, and some grilled tomatoes with parsley. This is it. Made by yours truly, yes, the chef Rock. And of course I'm having some granola, natural granola with some cut of fruits, yeah. So I just want to say happy Father's Day to all the beautiful, strong, solid fathers out there in the world, coming from, of course, yours truly Rock. So beautiful. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have another mango. 2 mango. Junior mango. Fresh. Off of the tree. Like literally. So beautiful. Check it out. You see hummingbird? Look at that. Oh, shizzle.